What updates are there on the U.S. and Iran war after the latest violent exchanges? The situation remains tense with new developments that could reshape global politics and security. Stay tuned for the latest surprising updates. In the past week, violent exchanges between U.S. forces and Iranian-backed militias have intensified. Missile strikes hit bases hosting American troops in Iraq and Syria, while drones targeted assets linked to Iran's Revolutionary Guard. These attacks mark a significant escalation in an already volatile region, raising fears of a wider conflict. The U.S. has responded with precision airstrikes aimed at deterring further aggression, but the cycle of retaliation continues. This back-and-forth violence highlights how fragile peace is in this hotspot. While violence flares on the ground, diplomats from the U.S., Iran, and other key nations are working feverishly to negotiate a reduction in hostilities. Talks focus on preventing further attacks and reviving stalled nuclear negotiations. The Biden administration has emphasized a dual approach, maintaining a strong military presence while pursuing diplomatic channels. Iran, under pressure from economic sanctions and regional setbacks, appears cautiously open to dialogue but demands guarantees. These behind-the-scenes efforts could be crucial to avoiding a full-scale war. The violent exchanges between the U.S. and Iran are not contained to just their forces. Regional countries like Iraq, Syria, and Lebanon face heightened instability, with local populations caught in the crossfire. Security forces have raised alert levels, fearing spillover violence. Humanitarian agencies warn of worsening conditions for civilians due to disrupted aid deliveries and infrastructure damage. This regional ripple effect underscores how the conflict threatens broader Middle East stability, affecting millions beyond the frontline fighters. The U.S.-Iran conflict after the latest violent exchanges remains a dangerous and evolving situation. While military clashes continue, diplomatic efforts offer a glimmer of hope for peace. The regional impact is severe and growing. Understanding these updates helps you grasp why this conflict matters globally. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.